How to plan for a comfortable retirement lifestyle. You're waking up to the sound of the ocean, sipping your morning coffee on a sunny patio without a single worry about bills or work. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. The key to living your best retirement life is planning ahead. Will you be financially free in your golden years, or will you struggle to make ends meet? If you're watching this, chances are you want a comfortable and stress-free retirement. And trust me, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to plan for a comfortable retirement lifestyle, from building your savings to making your money work for you. Retirement isn't just about stopping work. It's about creating the life you've always wanted. So stick around, because what you're about to learn could change your future forever. Point 1. Start with the end in mind. The first step to a comfortable retirement is knowing what you want it to look like. Do you dream of traveling the world, living in a quiet countryside home, spending time with family without financial stress? The more specific you are about your retirement goals, the easier it will be to calculate how much you'll need to make it happen. A good rule of thumb? You'll need 70 to 80% of your pre-retirement income to maintain your current lifestyle. Wait, what if I don't know how much I'll need? Don't worry. There's a simple formula to estimate your retirement savings target, and we'll cover that in just a moment. But first, let's talk about where your retirement income will come from, because relying on Social Security alone won't cut it. Point 2, build multiple income streams. A comfortable retirement isn't just about saving, it's about creating multiple sources of income. Let's break down the 4 key pillars of retirement income. Retirement accounts, 401k, IRA, Roth IRA. If your employer offers a 401k with a match, contribute as much as possible. Free money? Yes, please. Investments, stocks, bonds, index funds. Investing wisely can grow your wealth and provide passive income through dividends and capital gains. Real estate and passive income streams, rental properties, REITs, or even an online business can generate steady cash flow in retirement, Social Security, and pensions. While these can supplement your income, they shouldn't be your primary retirement plan. But how much should I be saving each month to make this happen? Great question. Let's break it down next. Now that you know where your income will come from, let's talk about exactly how much you need to save to retire comfortably. Point 3, the 4% rule and retirement savings goals. A simple way to estimate your retirement goal is using the 4% rule. This rule suggests that you can safely withdraw 4% of your retirement savings per year without running out of money. For example, if you want to live on $50,000 per year, you'll need at least $1.25 million saved. Here's how it breaks down. Want $40,000 per year? Aim for $1 million. Want $100,000 per year? You'll need $2.5 million. This is why starting early is so important, because compound interest does the heavy lifting for you. Wait, do I really need millions to retire? Not necessarily. With the right strategies like reducing expenses and investing wisely, you can retire comfortably with less. Speaking of investing wisely, let's dive into how you can make your money grow faster. Point 4, invest smart for long-term growth. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Here's how you can grow your retirement fund faster. Index funds and ETFs, low-cost, diversified investments that historically offer steady growth. Dividend stocks, get paid regular income while your investments grow. Real estate, rental properties or REITs can provide passive cash flow in retirement. Tax-advantaged accounts, Roth IRAs and 401ks offer huge tax benefits, so take advantage. The earlier you start, the more time compound interest has to grow your money. But what if I'm starting late? Don't worry, there's still time to catch up, and I'll show you how in just a second. If you're over 40 and behind on savings, let's talk about how to fast-track your retirement plan. Point 5, catch-up strategies if you're behind. If you're starting late, don't panic. Here's how to boost your savings fast. Max out. Catch-up contributions. If you're over 50, you can contribute extra to your 401k and IRA. Increase your income. A side hustle, freelancing, or investing in skills can help grow your savings faster. Cut unnecessary expenses. Redirect every extra dollar into investments. Downsize strategically. A smaller home or moving to a lower-cost area can stretch your retirement dollars. It's never too late to start planning for financial freedom. There you have it, your roadmap to a comfortable retirement lifestyle. By starting early, investing wisely, and building multiple income streams, you can create a retirement that's truly stress-free. So what does your dream retirement look like? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your plans. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more financial tips. The future is yours to create. Will you take action today? Let's build your financial freedom together.